Hello friends, myself Amit Belikar welcomes you back to my channel Tips and Tricks by A and B. Today we are discussing about mechanisms of immunity which are involved in our body. After going through this video, learner will be able to enlist mechanisms of immunity, describe phagocytosis and antibody formation. Now it is time to reflect on something. We already discussed in previous video about diseases, immunity and susceptibility. Now it is time to reflect about the question how our body resists the invading pathogen. Pause the video and think on this question. Write your answer in notebook and then start the video. So we will find the answer here by discussing mechanisms of immunity. Immunity in human being against various pathogenic microorganisms can be produced by two different ways. First way is the phagocytosis and second is antibody formation. So we will discuss these one by one. So first we have to discuss what is phagocytosis. It means ingestion of bacteria by certain cells of human body which makes them harmless. So you can see in the animation the bacteria can be ingested by the cell of human body and this mechanism is called as phagocytosis. Two types of cells are responsible for phagocytosis. First is cells of reticuloendothelial system and second is white blood corpuscles which are called as leukocytes or WBCs which are present in our body. So we will discuss these cells and their characteristics. So cells of reticuloendothelial system are present in liver and spleen. These cells ingest bacteria and make them harmless. From blood, such harmless bacteria enter into the lungs and disintegrate in the lungs. So that is about the reticuloendothelial cells. Next, we have to discuss about white blood corpuscles or leukocytes or also called as WBCs. So WBCs helps in the destruction of bacteria. When pathogenic bacteria enter the body, most of the white blood cells are carried to the infected area, ingest the bacteria and make them harmless. Leukocytes with their enclosed harmless microorganisms help in the formation of pus. So that is about the WBCs. Next mechanism of immunity is antibody formation. The protection against microorganism is also achieved by formation of antibodies. Antibodies are the substances which are formed in the body in response to presence of foreign proteins and certain other materials in the tissue. Such foreign material is called as antigen. Thus by invasion of pathogenic microorganism, that is antigen, antibody production is stimulated in our body. The nature of antibodies depends upon the manner in which pathogenic microorganisms produce their harmful effect. In next video we will discuss about how microorganism produces their harmful effect. So nature of that antibody formation, it depends upon how microorganisms are producing harmful effects in our body. So we will discuss that in next video. So it is time to summarize. In this video, we had discussed about mechanisms of immunity like phagocytosis and antibody formation. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you have any queries, you can contact me on my mail address which is given below. If you want to watch more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel Tips and Tricks by AMP. Thank you once again.